Realme launches 15 series with industry-first AI, Edit Genie and segment-leading performance. Realme, the most popular smartphone brand among Indian youth, today announced the launch of the Realme 15 Pro 5G and Realme 15 5G, positioned as the AI party phone, setting a new benchmark for camera excellence, advanced AI, and overall performance. Designed for the young generation who embrace a diversified lifestyle, the Realme 15 series features triple 50MP ultra-clear cameras and 4K 60fps video recording, delivering vivid, crystal-clear shots from any angle, at any moment. It also redefines AI imaging with the world's first AI Edit Genie technology, plus an exclusive AI party mode crafted specifically for young users. Triple 50MP cameras, triple kill. The Realme 15 Pro 5G boasts a triple 50M Ultra Clarity camera system. A flagship 50M Sony IMX896 OIS main camera with 1st January 1956 large sensor at 24mm equivalent of focal length, captures stunning portraits and vibrant nightscapes with unparalleled clarity, brightness, and true-to-life colors. A 50M ultra-wide-angle with 1:8 sensor at 16mm equivalent focal length and a 50M front camera with 1:8 sensor, delivering high-quality group photos and selfies. The Realme 15 5G features two powerful 50M cameras, a 50M Sony IMX882 OIS flagship main camera with big sensor and a 50M OV50D front camera. It delivers clear and powerful selfies, group photos and low-light shooting, enabling users to freely capture moments from every angle in all scenarios. Users of both Realme 15 Pro 5G and Realme 15 5G can take 2K live photos. While live photos of general products only support 1080p and can only be viewed in albums, Realme 15 series can double images clarity and enable its users to share live photos on social apps. What's more, AI Edit Genie is the industry-first on-device AI inspiration feature. One tap is all it takes to edit photos, as AI intuitively crafts the optimal edits for you. The algorithm smartly analyzes photos and delivers pro-level edits with creative flair, no editing skills needed. The AI inspiration steps in as a savvy curator, intuitively perfecting shots with automated finesse.
Change my shirt color to red, and with it your eyes until you blink, it will automatically change it to red. So there are many more options it can do. Then the sixth one, AI party mode. The first phone comes with AI party mode, which gives you better algorithm specifically when you try to capture images at low light conditions or during night scenarios. Skin color of the people will always be the natural one. Seventh, this also comes with AI Magic Glow 2.0, 40% brighter from the last generation, and first time we have launched Pulse light also, which will be used in many scenarios like notifications you can get on that. And for the camera, you can use it for 3-to-1 kind of functions where you are using timer for the camera. So these all functions what you are getting here in this 15 Pro product with 4 variants. One is 8 plus 128, then 8 plus 256, then 12 plus 256, and the last one is 12 plus 512GB variant. If I talk about the price, this product will start from 30,999 to 38,999. But on the pre-booking before 30th, you can pre-book with a discount of 3,000 bank offers. Then the product will start from 28,999 rupees only, and it will be available in 3 amazing colors. One is this silver white kind of, and then there are purple color and velvet green. So go to your nearest stores and grab it.
What is the battery backup?
So 7,000 mAh battery it has, and people can, in normal scenario, you can use it for almost 2 days, and it can be charged with 80-watt charger, and the charging time from 1 to 100% is 1 hour and 1 minute maximum. That's all.